Good evening, everybody. I am Piyush and I'm representing Wiley Blackwell. And I must thank the organizers of ICAL for allowing us to partner with them and giving me the opportunity to present the products from Wiley Blackwell as such. To start with, we shall be talking about the Wiley Blackwell strengths, our major products in terms of journals, online books, back files, and the new products in the packages. Well, the Wiley Blackwell strengths, it provides the complete breadth, depth, and the quality content to you. It covers nearly all the subject areas, be it medicine, life science, physical science, social science, humanities, and the professional disciplines, or it serves at all the levels, be it for the primary peer-reviewed research, for the survey reviews, for the teaching resources and reference materials. We provide our products in multiple formats, either it be print, online, or born digital. These are the only products which are available only in the digital format as such. And we cover a lot of time back. So we have got back files digitized to the 19th century, 21st century articles published online on acceptance. As such, we are supposed to be one of the largest society publishers, and we have got our affiliations with more than 700 scholarly and professional societies. As of now, we are having nearly 1,500 scholarly journals, 830 titles in the back files, more than 7,500 online books, about 97 major reference works, 15 current protocols, which are the laboratory manuals, which have got around about 11,500 protocols, 12 databases, be it in medicine, chemistry, and polymer sciences. We've got a new product known as Wires. It is an interdisciplinary product, and as of now, 3 of them have been launched in 2009, and 2 are supposedly coming in 2010. We also have another product by the name of Wiley Plus, which is helping students, which is having 134 titles in it. To talk about journals, we have got a lot of new journals between 2009 and 10. You can see these journals, for example, Reviews of Behavioral Finance in Social Sciences and Humanities, Chem in Physical Sciences and Engineering, Research Synthesis Methods, International Journal of Applied Glass Science, Asian Journal of Control. All these journals are opt-ins. You can simply go onto a website if you're an institutional customer, and you can just opt in for the journal and you can access it for free until they are available with a price. Similarly, in life sciences, we have got a number of journals on systematics and evolution, methods in ecology and evolution, a few in agriculture, aquaculture, like quality assurance and safety of crops and food, and reviews in aquaculture. Similarly, there are a number of journals in medical, health, and life sciences. Some of them are yet to come in 2010, but I've just listed them in red, so you can just have a look at that. And these will be available for opt-in as of now. Even our interdisciplinary product, which is Wires, 3 of them are available as of now, which is for opt-in access, available for free. It will be available for free for 2 years, and they are on nanomedicine and nanobiotechnology, computational statistics, systems biology and medicine, and 2 of them, like climate change and cognitive science, they are to follow in 2010. These were the journals which were opt-ins for the previous years, and I hope they were available for free, so you must have accessed them, had a feel of them, and maybe you are ready to subscribe them now. If you talk about the impact factor performance for 2008, you will find that we have got 949 Wiley Blackwell journals which are ranked in JCR, which is up by 926, which was in 2007. We have got 338 journals which are having top 10 rankings by impact factor. We have 30 Wiley Blackwell journals which are added to JCR 2008 for the first time. That simply means that we are getting the newer journals and they immediately go with a high impact factor. We have got 30 number 1 rankings within 227 categories. Among the top ranked titles, some of them are Aging Cell, Birth, Child Development, Cancer Journal for Clinicians, Journal of Avian Biology, and Transactions of the Institute of British Geographers. So we are covering quite a lot of journals, which are the leading journals, leading society journals, and ranking number 1 in the world altogether. We've got more journals in 51 of the 227 subject categories, most articles in 41 categories, and the highest total impact factors for any publisher in 37 subject categories. So I can confidently say that we are the leaders in terms of the quality content. These are the few journals which are having top ranking in ISI. When we talk of the online books and reference works, we have got more than 7,000 online books. We are covering nearly 18 areas, 18 subject areas within these online books. And you can see that as we are the leaders, world leaders in chemistry, we are having about 2,116 chemistry online books as of now, followed by engineering, which is having 1,289. So you can see the pie chart with the subject categories in their bifurcation and trifurcations, and how much we are into the online books when we talk about them. When we talk of the chemistry online books, the leader, of course, is organic chemistry, followed by physical chemistry, and the other branches of chemistry as such. Similarly, for engineering, of course, communication technology, we are the leaders with 43%, and followed by control systems, civil engineering, so you can just have the pie chart again. Similarly, for social sciences and humanities, where we are the world leaders as such, we are covering philosophy with 18%, literature with 16%, history with 13%, geography with 9%. So again, we are having a whole array of the products in the social sciences and humanities arena as well. Similarly, for life sciences, we are having a good number of books, and this is the typical pie chart for our products as such. And for medicine and health sciences, you can have a look at this. We also have online book series. We are having nearly 1,500 volumes from 23 series which have been digitized. These are the typical landmark Wiley-Blackwell book series which are edited by eminent and pioneering academicians and scientists and cover a range of topics in chemistry, material science, statistics, and life sciences. A listing of all our book series is there for your review. We have the titles that were published in print before 2000 as a one-time purchase option, which we call as back volume. So you just have to pay a one-time fee, and the content becomes yours. There is another product by the name of Blackwell Reference Online. It is the critically acclaimed Blackwell Companion and Handbook series in philosophy, religion, literature, history, linguistics, psychology, business, and economics. It also has Blackwell Encyclopedia of Management and a whole host of other reference materials like dictionaries, encyclopedias, and concise companions. We talk about the subject coverage in the BRO. We have got nearly 358 titles, which covers business and economics, history, literature and cultural studies, classics, sociology, and all the other things with SSH. There are a few MRW titles which are new. One is the International Encyclopedia of Revolution and Protest, International Studies Online, and there are a few new MRWs on Wiley InterScience, namely Encyclopedia of Quantitative Risk Analysis and Assessment, the Compendium of Transgenic Crop Plants, Encyclopedia of Industrial Biotechnology, Encyclopedia of Structural Health Monitoring, Wiley Encyclopedia of Forensic Science. There is a new MRW which is expected, which will be Topley and Wilson's Microbiology and Microbial Infections. It is a classic reference work in covering microbiology, mycology, bacteriology, parasitology, and immunology. Similarly, we are also coming up with Comprehensive Physiology, which is published in partnership with the American Physiological Society. Then there are the new updates available for Encyclopedia of Life Sciences, Encyclopedia of Cell Biology and Molecular Medicine, Blackwell Encyclopedia of Sociology Online, and International Encyclopedia of Communications Online. There are a few chemistry databases as well, which I would like to focus. The classic Encyclopedia of Reagents for Organic Synthesis is available in the electronic format as well. It is having articles in the HTML as well as PDF formats for easy viewing and printing, and of course all the facilities and features of the online formats as such. Another database is Organic Reactions, followed by a Wiley registry of mass spectral data. We have got about 350 Wiley titles and 490 Blackwell titles currently available in the backfiles format, which is covering nearly 13.5 million pages. As of now, we are having 22 subject collections, and 50 new will be added onto it. The Blackwell titles will also be included in the existing collections as such. New innovative products and packages. One is Current Protocols. It is available in the format of a website, currentprotocols.com now. We are having 15 current protocols as of now. We are covering nearly each aspect of the life sciences. And of course, we are going to launch the current protocols in chemical biology in October 2009 as well. We have got enhanced online features, which I will request you to go to our website and just go through and give your feedback to us. Another product is WIRES, which is Wiley Interdisciplinary Reviews. They are unique online publications, only online publications. They are not available in print, that combine the most powerful features of online reference works as well as review journals. And they have got articles by invitation and peer reviewed by an internationally renowned editorial board. The content is updated every 2 months. It is indexed with impact factors like serialized publications. It is available for opt-in access for first 2 years. And of course, the 3 are available as of now and 2 are to come in 2010. The last and not the least, we have got a Compass collection, which is 8 innovative online review journals as such. And these are the subject areas. And just seeing the limitation of time, I'll just rush up and finish. And I will say this, please go to our website, interscience.wiley.com. Just try to access the products over there. If there is any confusion, any problem, any questions, please do come back to us. We'll be most pleased to help you out. Thank you for your time and patient hearing.